What's up, guys? Welcome to Virtual Wholesaling 101. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to flip houses virtually for massive profits. Now, virtual wholesaling is the art of locating discounted real estate deals. We're looking for the juiciest deals that nobody else has access to. And if we can become the source of this deal and we can execute a seller contract, then that contract in itself gives us equitable interest, and we can assign that contract over to a cash buyer for a fee. Now, over the past several years, the vehicle of real estate wholesaling has been massively and widely adopted in the mainstream space for a good reason. There's a lot of opportunities in the marketplace where distressed homeowners need our help. Now, when I first started my business here in the local market of South Carolina, I was just trying to figure out how I can get myself in front of a motivated seller. So I went through Craigslist ads, I went through Facebook marketing. I tried to do everything for free. And I came in a full circle to realize that there is a better way. So over the past several years, we've been refining our strategy. After I was able to get one house done, that gave me proof of concept, right? And once I learned how to do one deal, it was only a matter of figuring out how I can scale, right? If I can do this once and make a $10,000 or $15,000 profit, well, how can I do this 5 times per month or 10 times per month? If you do the simple math, the numbers can add up very quickly. So these are all things that we talk about inside of our Discord community, where we have a space for real estate investors to come together, to learn the game, and to network with investors from across the country. It's open for people to come in and start rubbing shoulders and learning the game. Now, how is virtual wholesaling different than traditional wholesaling? Well, instead of being confined to your local market and only farming opportunities that are inside of your wheelhouse, the virtual strategy, we can literally target any market across the United States. And as long as we have the right marketing process in place, we figure out how to get in touch with these motivated sellers. And at that point, it's only a game of negotiations. Talking with the seller, understanding their situation, and when we're able to identify that and help serve them, in many cases we can execute a contract well below market value, align with a cash buyer, and you get it to the closing table. Now, walking through a framework, there is a way to do it, and there's a process. Starting out, your ultimate goal is to get to that first deal. But after the first deal, let's get you in an accelerated path to grow your business with predictability. Now, my favorite ways to market in virtual wholesaling is I'll pull a list from Propstream, right? Propstream is just a very simple resource. It's $97 a month, and you have unlimited access to seller data across the United States. There is a link inside of the description of the video that you can try a 7-day free trial of Propstream so you can understand the system. But inside of there, we're going to pull motivated seller data. My favorite list is absentee owners, right? If we can pull an absentee owner out of state, that tells us that the owner of this property does not live in the property and their tax mailing address is actually in a different state. So what this means is that they likely have a long-term management position, which puts a little bit more distress. After we pull that list from Propstream, I'm going to upload in some type of a predictive dialer or an SMS campaign. Now, our management system that we use at this current moment is Market Pro CRM, right? MarketProCRM.com. Now, this is the easiest tool and all-encompassing business-in-a-box platform that we have found to get in front and target these people on demand. After we get the people on the phone, we have quality conversations. We build trust and rapport. This process is also known as sales. And after we're able to take them down the sales process and we execute a contract, well, from there, all we got to do is find a cash buyer. So in its simplest form, virtual wholesaling is the art of finding off-market deals, streamlining a marketing process so you can get in front of more motivated sellers. Once you're able to lock up contracts and find a cash buyer, you can do this virtually from anywhere inside of the country. You want to learn more? Click the links below and we'll see you inside of our Discord group. Rooting for your success.